Sneezing is your body's amazing defense mechanism. When irritants like dust or pollen enter your nose, tiny hairs called cilia get tickled. Your brain sends a signal to expel the intruders, leading to a powerful burst of air that can travel up to 100 miles per hour. When you're sick, sneezing becomes even more frequent as your body works overtime to expel viruses and bacteria. This rapid expulsion helps clear out the irritants and protect your respiratory system. So, next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's way of keeping you safe and healthy.